There's lots and lots of pecan trees. Some people call them pecans here. There are tons of pecan groves. There are more pecan trees. And then you see a sign for the Merritt Pecan Company and the chevron. And we've always wanted to stop by this place. And it's this super duper cute Merritt Pecan Company and General Store. So we're gonna refuel and check it out. They do have diesel, so we are just going to top off while we're here. Always nice to find a place with diesel. All stations have it. The diesel here is only $4.79, so it's a little bit less expensive than Atlanta. There are a bunch of preserves. The blueberry lemon thyme looks good. Check that out. Variety of pecan logs. Different types of bunnies. Most of them local. A bunch of different pork skins, if that's your thing. Pecan pieces, medium pieces. They have large, bigger bags. These are great for baking. Pecan assortments. These look awesome. Still more pecans here. We have the salted and roasted ones in big bags. They even have hot boiled peanuts. They have these nice rocking chairs so that you can sit and have a drink and take a break before you hit the road, and all these really fun old signs. Super cute. We did a little bit of shopping at the pecan store, and we got one of these little tiny pecan pies. They actually had normal size ones, but we just thought this was the perfect size for the two of us. And then we got a white pecan, white chocolate covered pecans, which looked really good. And then we got dark chocolate covered pecans. It's one of our favorites. And then one packet of roasted salted pecans.